bags for them? You want different bags or same bag? So both of them are going to be left cups. Yep. Sign right there and you're good to go. Yeah. I don't even ask people to sign it because it doesn't work more times than it does work, so I just hit it myself. I get cheese too when he comes into town. And he usually, when he shops around town, he just stays in Ferndale.
Mm-hmm.
But I just give him cheese. I don't think he's ever had to buy it.
Oh, yeah, it's a...
But we made a lot of money
Mm-hmm.
when he was on that show.
Oh, yeah. That was a few years ago now, huh?
Yeah, I think it might have been 5 or 6 years
Wow.
now.
Uh-huh.
It says on whenever he signed it over here.
Oh, yeah, I see it, I think. 11,
Yeah,
13.
So then it aired that February. And from that February through December, we had our best month of that. Our best month ever.
Yeah.
We had
Thank you. Bye-bye.
That's where all the magic happens, folks.
But like never like scaled me. Go, oh, I'll talk to her, try to find another video about, but you should not want to keep harassing me. Probably did several times already, so.
Over life and experience everything that changed
Out here in the gardens of the cheese factory, just outside of it. Very pretty, as you will see. There's the old abandoned creamery building over there.
I mean, the whole thing, it was so bad. And they finally shipped production down there and outsourced it in the end, but I was the first. That's why I love ice cream now. I know that hurts me.
My friend and I getting some espresso before we set out for today's adventures. Out here in the gardens again, and over there is a news crew talking about the history of the Loleta cheese factory. I've always admired the work they put into the gardens here and the fountains.
So I have like this blue theme going in the front room.
Little bathroom. Thanks for joining me on today's adventure.